There are several best practices that you can use to help you control your Google Meet session. The first one happens before you even begin. Make sure that when you start a meeting, that you do so 5 to 10 minutes before your class is about to start. If you have another adult who will be joining your Google Meet, make sure that you give them a specific time to enter the class. This prevents them from creating the session before you do. In this example, you can see that I typed in my nickname, and it says that no one else is here. I'm going to click Join Now, and the very first thing I'm going to do is look in the bottom right corner. I don't see a shield icon, which means that I am not the creator and owner of the Meet. Since I don't see anyone else in the meeting, it means that another adult typed the nickname code before I did, and right now they are sitting waiting in the lobby. Once the owner enters the Meet, they can use the participant window and click on the 3 dots next to my name to add me as a co-host, which means we will both have full host control capabilities. As a host, the first thing you should do once your class starts is to use the host controls to turn off quick access. This prevents anyone from joining your Meet without your approval. If somebody wants to join your Meet, they will have to ask to join. You'll get a notification like this one and be able to admit them or deny entry. The other thing that turning off quick access does is that it prevents students from adding anybody to the Meet. You have complete control over who gets to join your Google Meet. If for some reason you have to remove a student from a Meet, be aware that they will not be able to rejoin your class with the same nickname until you end the session and restart it later. At the end of class, click on the Leave Call button. On the next screen, you should select End the Call and make sure that quick access is turned off so nobody can join the Meet after the fact. This kicks out all of the remaining participants of the Meet and resets the code as an additional security measure to prevent people from using an old Meet code.